Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, hello girls.
Hello teacher.
Okay, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I am very good.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Anissa Fitriasari.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 8 December 2002.
Where are you from?
I'm from North Kembangkrang.
What is your grade?
I am grade 6A.
Okay, what do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
What is your father's job?
My father is civil servant.
What is your mother's job?
My mother is midwife.
Okay, do you have brother?
Yes, I do.
How many brother do you have?
I have one brother.
Do you have sister?
No, I don't.
Okay, what is your hobby?
My hobby is playing badminton.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is soup.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is milk.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
Where will you continue your study?
After I finish my study here, I want to continue my study at TSNW number 1 Kembangkrang.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome, teacher.
Okay, close.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.